Hello and welcome to Lloyd BMW South Lakes. Apologies for the weather, it's a little bit wet here in the Lake District, but we do have this stunning BMW M4 Coupe, registered in March 2019, it's done just over 17,000 miles, finished in this gorgeous shade of blue, which is the Yas Marina Blue metallic, with contrasting opal white leather interior. It's got the gorgeous 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. You can see the massive M brakes there behind with the blue brake calipers. Being an M car, you get the sort of signature M features of the extended mirror caps. You also get the carbon fibre roof as well. I'll jump inside quite quickly because it is a little bit damp here today. You get the electric seats with two position memory as well. I'll just jump in. There we go, a bit drier in here. Like all modern BMWs, to start the car, foot on the brake, press the start button, the car will come to life. You have a large satellite navigation screen in the middle, which also has your DAB radio and your Bluetooth. And if I select reverse, it also has the parking sensors on the front and the rear of the car, and it also has a camera out the back as well, so no excuses for hitting anything. You also have some favourite buttons which are handy for programming places and people's numbers in there. You've also got dual zone climate control. You've got heated seats, which I will turn on today. USB port down here. You've got some cup holders. This car's equipped with a 7-speed dual clutch gearbox. Great gearbox, it will change gear automatically, or you do have the option of selecting the gears manually by using the paddles on the steering wheel there. You've also got your different sort of functions for engine response, steering response, chassis response as well, so you can program these however you want, and then you can save them as a favorite. So rather than having to start messing around with all the other settings, you can just press M1 or M2 and it will go to how you've set the car up. You've got an eye controller down here which controls the screen up here. So if I press map, I can show you where we are if I zoom out. So we're located in the Lake District in Cumbria. We're located at the southern end of the Lake District, so Windermere's up here, the M6 is over here. We're about 10 minutes off junction 36 of the M6, so a beautiful part of the world. If you've never been, feel free to come and visit us. You have this black chrome trim running through the car. You then get carbon fibre on the dashboard, which is then carried through into the centre console as well. Manual handbrake on this generation of M4. Nice big armrest with wireless charging there for you, or there is a USB port if your phone doesn't have wireless charging. You've got cruise control, speed limit mounted on the steering wheel on this side. You can alter your radio channels and stuff like that. So again, if you can sort of scroll through the radio one, and then you can do your volumes and stuff like that over on this side. Automatic headlights, electric windows all round, and you've also got folding mirrors as well. Right, let me show you the rest of the car. So the M4 Coupe is a 4-seater. So you've got the 2 seats in the back. Both of them have got the ISO fix as well, so if you want to put children's seats in there, you can do. Just coming around the back of the car, you can see the privacy glass there, the M4 badging, and another signature of the M cars from BMW is the quad exhaust out the back in 2 pairs. Into the boot, good sized boot on the M4, and again, if you need more space, the seats are split 70-30 as well, so loads of space for the weekend luggage. That's about it really. So this car currently for sale here at Lloyd BMW South Lakes, March 2019 on a 19 plate, just over 17,000 miles. Yas Marina Blue metallic with the opal white leather interior. If you want any finance figures, test drive, anything like that, if you've got any questions, just give us a shout. We can answer all those for you. We even offer a nationwide delivery service, so if you're not local to us, we can deliver the car to you. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.